ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a solution that saves you time, money and back-breaking labor. Low-maintenance gravel landscaping. At its core, this style of landscaping replaces traditional, thirsty grass lawns and high-maintenance flower beds with various types of decorative stone, crushed rock or pea gravel. It isn't just about throwing rocks on the ground. It is a deliberate design choice that uses inorganic mulch to create clean lines, stable walking surfaces, and a balanced environment where plants can thrive without constant intervention. Whether you are aiming for a Mediterranean villa vibe or a sleek, minimalist modern look, gravel serves as the versatile foundation for a beautiful yard that stays looking pristine year-round. The advantages of switching to gravel are numerous, making it one of the smartest investments for any homeowner. First and foremost is the dramatic reduction in water usage. Unlike turf that requires thousands of gallons of water to stay green, gravel is a key component of xeriscaping, helping you conserve resources and lower your utility bills. Additionally, gravel provides excellent drainage. It allows rainwater to permeate into the soil naturally, preventing runoff and pooling issues that can damage your home's foundation. Perhaps the most celebrated benefit is the end of the mowing cycle. You can say goodbye to fertilizers, pesticides, and the weekly chore of mowing and edging. Gravel is also incredibly durable and long-lasting, resisting the wear and tear of pets and foot traffic while maintaining its color and texture for years to come. Decorating with gravel requires a focus on contrast and texture to ensure the space feels like an intentional garden rather than a construction site. To make your gravel landscaping look high-end, start by playing with color. Use lighter stones to brighten shaded areas or dark charcoal slate to create a sophisticated, moody atmosphere. Incorporating islands of greenery is essential. Think of gravel as the canvas and your plants as the art. Use drought-tolerant species like ornamental grasses, succulents, or lavender to provide pops of color and organic shapes that break up the stone surfaces. Adding structural elements like large basalt boulders, weather-resistant timber edging, or sleek concrete pavers creates a sense of depth and architectural interest. Lighting also plays a huge role. Well-placed path lights or uplights against boulders can transform your gravel garden into a magical retreat after the sun goes down. To achieve a professional look that actually stays low maintenance, you need the right materials. The most critical item is a high-quality, heavy-duty weed barrier fabric. This is placed beneath the gravel to prevent unwanted growth while still allowing water to reach the soil. For the stone itself, you'll want to choose the right size and shape. 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch crushed stone is generally best for stability, while pea gravel offers a softer feel for pathways. Steel or heavy-duty plastic edging is another must-have to keep your stones contained and prevent them from migrating into your walkways or house. Finally, consider adding a few focal points like a weather-resistant fire pit, a simple stone water feature, or modern outdoor seating. These items turn a static landscape into a functional outdoor living area where you actually want to spend your time. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best low-maintenance gravel landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern minimalist entryway. This design features a striking contrast between dark architectural panels and a crisp, white gravel forecourt. The symmetrical placement of tufted ornamental grasses provides a soft, organic touch to the clean lines of the tiled walkway, making the entrance feel both expansive and sophisticated. 2. The curved garden sanctuary. Utilizing a serpentine brick border, this idea separates lush green lawn areas from rich chocolate-colored mulch and warm-toned pea gravel paths. The addition of a small wooden shed and a circular paved seating area at the back creates a functional and cozy backyard retreat that feels perfectly organized. 3. The arid Zen pathway. This stunning landscape uses red volcanic rock mulch paired with light gray stepping stones and gravel to create a high-contrast, drought-tolerant masterpiece. A central fire bowl serves as a warm focal point, while the tiered wooden planters and climbing trellises add vertical greenery without requiring heavy watering. 4. The contemporary Zen walkway. In this layout, dark oversized pavers float atop a bed of bright white river pebbles. The inclusion of structural agave plants and a large stone water basin emphasizes a peaceful, Asian-inspired aesthetic that looks incredibly expensive while requiring almost zero pruning or mowing. 5. The traditional karasansui raked garden. This classic Japanese rock garden uses fine light-colored gravel raked into patterns to simulate water ripples. Large, weathered boulders act as islands of stability, surrounded by a low wooden trellis and lush perimeter shrubbery, creating a space designed for quiet meditation and visual calm. 6. The urban courtyard oasis. Perfect for smaller spaces, this design features meticulously pruned bonsai-style trees set into mossy mounds within a sea of dark gray gravel. The wood-paneled boundary wall and dark decking provide a warm, modern frame that makes the garden feel like an extension of the indoor living room. 7. The tropical pergola lounge. This setup demonstrates how gravel can support a full outdoor living room. Large sandstone flags form a path through tan-colored gravel to a dark wood pergola. Potted palms and low-lying shrubs give the space a lush, resort-like feel while keeping the ground-level maintenance to an absolute minimum. 8. The English cottage gravel walk. Showing the softer side of stone, this design features wide gravel paths winding through overflowing perennial beds. The use of lavender and white flowering plants creates a romantic, airy atmosphere where the gravel keeps the space looking tidy even when the plants are in full bloom. 9. The sleek geometric terrace. This modern backyard uses linear gray stone planks embedded in white gravel to create a sense of movement toward the seating area. A weathered steel water feature and purple allium flowers provide artistic focal points that catch the golden hour light beautifully against the dark privacy fence. 10. The lush woodland path. This design proves that gravel can feel soft and natural. Weathered stone planks are nestled into a bed of fine gravel, surrounded by a variety of textures including soft grasses and broad-leafed hostas. It creates a secret garden vibe that blends perfectly with the rustic architecture of the home. Switching to low-maintenance gravel landscaping is more than just a style choice. It's a lifestyle upgrade. By reducing the time you spend on chores, you reclaim your weekends to actually enjoy your outdoor space. Whether you choose a minimalist Zen look or a lush Mediterranean escape, gravel provides the flexibility to create a garden that is as unique as you are. Thank you for watching our deep dive into these gravel landscaping ideas. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more outdoor living inspiration. Which of the 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning your own gravel project, tell us what stone you're planning to use. We love hearing about your home transformations. See you in the next video.